Eddie. Nice. Heel.
Make that plural.
Your friends?
Do you want to die?
No.
Then go back. Tell the rest of your evil, killing tribe not to hunt us. You. You remain here to be sure he obeys me. Get out!
I don't think so.
Cthulhu.
They understand you?
Of course.
Who are you?
I am Sheena.
I'm Vic Casey. I cold-cocked that guard when he was about to shoot you. Remember?
You will be safe inside the circle. Do not cross it. Keebor, you stay here.
Hey, where are you going?
Who is that girl? Hey.
Huh?
You okay?
Where are we?
Central Park. Why?
Central. Whew, thank God. I thought it was... We really gotta do something about this park. It's getting worse all the time.